Hi guys, good afternoon. It is Friday. Woohoo! So it is a weekend now. I'm just going to the city to meet Mimi and Paris there. I'm just gonna catch a tram. So see you there. So hi guys, I'm at the car park now. I just grabbed this from my car. Because I'll be going to the city as what I mentioned before, and I'll see if I can get, this is my camera, this is my Canon Canon 60D inside the bag. I don't really use it guys, like seriously, it's just sitting in the wardrobe collecting dust. So what I'm going to do, I'll see if I can get it trade in and get the camera that I really want. At the moment I really want the Canon M50 for my vlogging, because you know, kinakareer ko na guys. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Sorry. So we're going down. Just the elevator. I'm gonna catch a tram guys. So we're outside now guys. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna catch a tram. And yeah, so the tram stop is just across the road from where I work. So that's where I'm going. The wheel, it looks like it's not turning, but it is. So Mimi and my little girl Paris is now waiting for me in the city guys. So I want to get there as soon as I can. So hi guys, I'm in the city now.
Smile, that's so.
So I'm at Emporium now guys. I'm just gonna take the lift. So we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor. So they're waiting for me at the food court. I just stopped at the makeup place to put some lipstick on. What do you think? Ayan na sila guys! Hi, sweetie! Hello! Hello! Here's Paris guys! She wants milk. She wants milk. Mama. 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 So hi guys, nag-order lang kami ng food. We ordered Indonesian food. Hi Tiweng.
Hello. Hi guys.
Up. Up. Yay. Go tita. Go tita. Where we ordered. Here's our food.
Pakita ang subo.
Okay. So I am planning to buy contact lens, guys. They're still busy, so we have to wait. Okay lang mga. Guys, someone is hungry, guys. Hungry? Sorry, I think I could check.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. That's not gone through. Take mine.
Yeah. Whee! Wow.
Hey, you know it's Armageddon. You know it's Armageddon. It's in the
Hi guys, we're just waiting for the tram. We're gonna go back to work because that's where I park my car. So we're gonna catch a tram. So while waiting for the tram, we're just gonna do some shout out. Shout out. Who you want to shout out?
Arjun. Hi, Argel.
Hi. Wanna say hi? Hi, Argel. Tita Argel. Mama. Yeah, so hi Argel. So hopefully dili na ka magmahay-mahay kay gi-shout out jud ka namo. Lagi mi sa Melbourne jud City.
Argel. Dapat complete name. Argel.
Tapal.
Social.
Tapal.
Tapal.
Tapal. Argel Tapal. Top home? Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
We're just waiting for the tram, guys. This is our outfit. Show your outfit now. And that is H&M in front of us. Hi guys, good evening. So we are home. We just got home and yeah, we've been to the city. It's already 9 o'clock, so Paris is now sleepy. Even me, I'm so sleepy now, guys. But I want to show you first this one. We'll show about this one. So this is the contact lens that I bought. This is a colored one, guys. I'll show it to you. So that's what it looks like. So this is yearly, guys. So I can use it up to 12 months. But normally I don't really use them for the whole year. So I'd say, yeah, maybe max 8. Oh, you want to buy it? No. And when you buy it, guys, it will give you a free contact lens holder. So just the basic one, really. So yeah, so that's what I got from the city. And we went to Michael's camera. I took my camera in because I thought I can trade it into the camera that I want. So unfortunately, they said that they have a lot of stock for that particular camera, so they can't do trading, which is fine with me as well. I'm happy to keep it, although I'm not very yeah, I won't be able to use it for vlogging because it's a bit heavy and it's not really handy. So I'll probably just keep it and maybe sell it privately, and hopefully I'll get the camera that I like, which is the Canon M50. Hopefully, guys. But at the moment I'm happy with my phone. I'll just keep using my phone just like now, and yeah, I'll be fine. But I'm gonna get it one day, fingers crossed. Wait, no honey. So yeah, we're going to end the vlog here now, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. You want to say bye? Bye.